All right, all right. Well, I figured this time is about as good time as any. Everyone I found that the trend, everyone's searching bitmex and trading. Everyone wants to trade bitmex right now. That's the hot topic. So I'm about to give you guys probably the most valuable advice that you can get, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or if you're a quote-unquote pro or veteran and you know everything, that's cool too. But if you are new to bitmex, new to trading Bitcoin, new to trading anything, I'm going to give you two undeniable, completely invaluable strategies that you have to use. Okay? So, number one, you guys already know if you've watched my channel, is the Heiken Ashi candles. That's where it's always green when it goes up and it's red when it goes down. So that's number one. But what we're really here to talk about is Elliott wave. Elliott wave theory. Elliott wave principle. Whatever you want to call it. Okay? Now, without going into all the history and everything, you may, if you go on a TradingView or any of those websites, you'll see, come on, I don't have a bigger picture. I thought I opened up a big picture. You're going to see something like this, where it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. Now, Elliott wave was found in like the 1920s by something guy, Elliott, and it's about mass psychology of the market. And it scales whether you're on the 1 minute, 10 minute, 1 hour, daily, weekly, monthly chart. It scales, okay? So, and it is freakishly. When you make your first trade, I remember when I made my first trade off of the Elliott wave, it was like, oh, it was unbelievable. And you guys are about to experience the same thing. I've been smashing it all day today from this. So, we're on the 5 minute. Now, the time you want to look for an Elliott wave is normally the best time, in my opinion, is right after a dump, right? Right after like a big move happens that isn't natural to the market, so to speak. So right after a fatty dump, we have a 1, a 2, a 3, okay? Now, they say that after the 1 wave, it retraces like 61%. It goes to 61 line. So check this out. Check this out. This is freakishly accurate. So we're going to measure from the top to the bottom and look. 0.63. Freakishly accurate. Freakishly accurate, right? And I'm pretty sure this one's supposed to go back like 31% or so, the 0.32 or something. So we can speculate, now that we've potentially reached the top, it kind of looks like we have, at 82.24, we're going to measure down about 31%, and boom, we're right at 8,200, okay? So let's go back to this picture here. So we're going to go 1, 2 for a pullback, 3, then 4 for a pullback, then 5, and then we dump to the shit, right? Now, do not be fooled by the like percentages, the 61% and 31%. This time it's super accurate, but these lines could go, go like this and go way this way and then up a little bit. Sometimes don't even go all the way up to the whatever. So it can be weird. It doesn't always look like this picture, but the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is can be freakishly accurate. Freakishly accurate. So one could speculate, if you follow this channel on this date at this time, that I am going to call that we pull back down to 8,200 and then go up again. Now, that doesn't mean that we even break this, right? So we might actually go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, just a little bit, and then we see the downtrend, right? Or we could do something like this. Whoops, my hand slipped there, and then what? Right up here. So you have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's say if you're in my Discord, right, and you hear me say something like, you know, it looks like we're on the fourth leg of an Elliott wave. Boom, that means we're pulling back right here, and I'm looking for a buy. Or if we're at the top of a third leg, I'm looking for a short right here. This is all you need. You talk to any trader. If any pro trader says they don't use like Elliott wave in some form or fashion, I mean, this is like foundation. So Heiken Ashi candles, look at some Elliott wave. Zoom in and out from 5 minutes, from whatever. Here, let's even like see if we can zoom out and find, screw it, whatever. This is enough. So Heiken Ashi candles, so much easier, in my opinion, like on the eyes. Do I have the Heiken Ashi on here? Whatever. So go to your candles, do the Heiken Ashi, Elliott wave theory, check it out, use it. If you're stuck on the minute, you don't know what's going to happen, zoom out. You don't always have to make trades off of minutes. You can put them in, you know, and wait for later, right?